What's up, YouTube? This is 802 Diesel Crew here. Today we're going to be highlighting my 15-piece 3/4 12-point SAE set. This is part number 414AHD. This set has 10 sockets ranging from 1 1/16 to 1 7/8. It comes with both a 8 and a 16-inch extension. A 19 1/4 inch breaker bar. A breaker bar swivel head. And an extremely polished ratcheting head. Here's a view of the breaker bar and ratcheting head installed. Here's a view of the breaker bar. As always, thank you for watching. If you want to subscribe. If you want to comment. And make sure you hit that like button. If you want a full tour on this item, leave a comment below.